Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You are watching Learn Programming by Lucky Sor YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explore a list of highly recommended skill books that can help beginners learn from scratch. At the same time, experienced programmers can brush up their skills. The SQL is one of the most important skills of a programmer. You might have any kind of professional programmer like Java, C Sharp, .NET. You must have worked with SQL. Since a database is an integral part of any modern Java or web application, interviewer always prefer candidates with good SQL skills. Whether you are a programmer, data analyst, or a business intelligence end user, SQL is an individual skill for anyone who deals with data. SQL is not just for database administrators. Learning SQL is helpful for querying databases, operating business intelligence tools, and using these business intelligence platforms deal directly with a database. Business intelligence software such as DataPane offer intuitive drag and drop interfaces allowing for data querying without any SQL knowledge. That said, knowing the SQL basics will help you understand your organization data and better generate actionable insights. There are two types of books, one that is useful for the novice and other is essential for the experienced users who want to take their skills to a new level. Now you can pick a good SQL book that will suit your needs. So I am providing the top 5 SQL books for beginners. The first one is Learning SQL by Alan Bullock. So SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is a standard programming query language for generating, manipulating, and retrieving information from a relational database. If you are working with a relational database, whether you are writing applications, performing administrative tasks, or generating reports, you need to know how to interact with your data. Even if you are using a tool that generates SQL for you, such as reporting tool, there may still be cases where you need to bypass the automatic generation feature and write your own SQL statements. So this is the best book for learning SQL as a beginner. The second one is First SQL. This is one of the best book for beginners. I have been recommending this book for beginners programmers. This book provides lots of examples with diagrams, puzzles. This book takes fun approach to showing the fundamentals of SQL. The third one is Beginning of SQL Queries. This is another beginner book, probably for the absolute beginner who doesn't know how to write SQL queries. As title suggests, this book will help you not only to write SQL queries, but also to write correct SQL queries and help you to become a professional SQL developer. Not a must read, but good SQL book for beginners. The fourth one is Quick Start Guide, a standard language for RDBMS or Relational Database Management System. The programming of SQL enables the user to perform many important functions such as create, analyze, delete, and manage within a comprehensive database only with a few commands. However, for that, the user need to know the structure of SQL, and this is the best book that imparts the required knowledge such as definition of RDBMS and their structure, the importance and the fundamentals of programming SQL among the others. The fifth one is SQL Cookbook. If you are working with SQL for some time and decide that no is the time to get more in-depth knowledge about SQL, this is the best book for you. It is a fact that SQL is a simple language to learn. However, most people do not learn beyond simple functions. This book offers you extensive knowledge that includes window functions, many powerful and database specific features such as Oracle's model, class, and SQL server's pivot and unpivot operators. So that's all about the top most SQL books for beginners. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos and for latest updates, and share to your friends also about this channel. Thank you for visiting. Have a nice day.